All right, time for a yummy treat. Come on, guys. There you go. Bon appetit. Back off, Sarah, so the ducks can come. It's getting too sunny over there. Come on, y'all.
Oh, there's Miss Michaela.
Is this a chicken favorite, not a black sheep? Got a piece.
That's not black sheep.
Is it just a chicken favorite
That's
or
not
ducks?
That's not black.
You should back up so the ducks
Mommy?
could have it. What?
They have, oh, it's Cutie Face and Lucky Junior. That's coming. Do you want Lucky?
Hi, Miss Swanee. How are you doing?
Hi, guys.
And Cheapers. Hi, Cheapers. Hey, ladies. Know what you're missing?
They don't see it.
They don't.
They're from That way.
Hi, Miss Lazy Twin. Come on over just in time. Hi, Michaela. Hi, Mama Flopsy. Hey, Lucky Junior.
So wait. Hi, big boy.
Go on over there and have some melon. Just don't pick a fight. You learned yesterday not to. Look at you. He's so careful poking his head in there. Can I get in there? Or is someone going to attack me? I think he learned his lesson.
There you go.
Hi there, Black Sheik. How you doing? Hi, Miss Buffett. Hi. What you think? What you think, Lucky? And there, Junior. What you think, Mike? Hi, Goldilocks. Hey, Kayla.
Trying to get the
And the chickens just run for it. The ducks are like, what? Hey? It's afternoon nap time for the ducks.
Yeah.
Hi, girlies.
Hi, Pato.
Hey, peepers. Hola, Pato. How's it going? You watching over your girls? You're a good girl, good boy.
Hi. You are so handsome.
Mm-hmm. Yes, he is.
Hi, Miss Michaela. You were right in time. The watermelon's there.
Look at Miss Gorgeous Michaela. Hi there, Norma Jean. Hi, Red. How you doing? Miss Alberta is enjoying it. Miss Buffett is enjoying it.
Hi, Red.
I'm just not sure about it. She doesn't get it.
Hi, Daphne. Buffy. Hi, Buffy. Buffy's coming in small way.
Hi, Miss Buffy.
Hi. Hi, guys. How are you? Mommy, did you see Bella? She went,